first thing you need to know about the female's urinary system is, where does all that urine go? The kidneys and bladder work together to make urine and remove it from your body. The kidneys filter waste products and water from the blood to form urine. The urine moves from the kidneys through tubes called ureters to the bladder, which stores the urine until it is full. From the bladder, urine leaves the body through another thin tube, the urethra. After the bladder starts to empty, it normally empties all the urine.
Here's an example!
Okay, this is the uterus. Back here, where it would attach to the cavity, is the broad ligament. This is the vagina. This is the urinary bladder. And this is the urethra.
Can you show the broad ligament one more time?
It would just be the part back there. It's not really well seen. That attaches to the cavity. So if you had a pin deep in there, that would be the broad ligament.
Okay.
This is the urinary bladder.
So what, you have any symptoms or something?
Well, I do have blood in my urine sometimes, and it's, painful.
That's disgusting. Could be a hematuria. Your urine may look red, brown, or pink. Blood in the urine may occur after intense exercise, such as running, bicycling, or any other various objects.
You might have a problem.
So what, do you exercise intensely?
Well, kinda. I usually bike a lot, and when I go to the gym, I work really, really hard.
Yeah, that could be the reason. Do you have any other problems?
What are your symptoms? Well, I kind of have the cyst, down there.
I mean, it could be a cystis. It's one of the most common diseases of the urinary system for females. It is simply defined as the inflammation of the bladder, which results into an infection, commonly caused by bacteria, which is utterly repulsive. The same could also be caused due to factors not related to infection. These may include drugs, radiation, chemicals, or other underlying medical problems in the body.
You're not getting drunk every night, are you? Well, I don't usually drink on the weekends, so I don't think it could be that. So that's my only concern.
Well, it could be bacteria from either not washing correctly, from masturbation, even sexual intercourse.
How much dick you getting? Well, it could be because of that. I don't necessarily, wash properly, I guess. That could be the thing. So I could keep an eye on that. Thank you, doctor. But I would like a little bit more of an explanation of how the urinary system works in my body.
So the kidneys are central in the urinary system and also serve homeostatic functions such as the regulation of electrolytes, maintenance of acid-base balance, and regulation of blood pressure. They serve as the body's natural filter in the blood and remove any wastes which are diverted to the urinary bladder. They're located at the rear of the abdominal cavity in the retroperitoneum. The ureters are the thick, long tubes that aid the urine in moving from the kidneys to the bladder. They're about 12 to 10 inches in length, and the urine moves downwards by gravity and peristalsis. To hold urine, the bladder is a sort of pouch found in the end of the genitourinary tract. Its function is to retain the urine of the body until it can be released to the urethra, and so it can eventually escape the body. The bladder is located in the pelvis area of the human body. The urethra is the tube through which urine is excreted from, the urinary bladder to outside the body in both males and females. Urine flows from the bladder out of the body by the way of the urethra when the sphincter relaxes. And remember, the urinary system is in that specific location because it's after the digestive system when it's trying to excrete all of the waste from your body. Oh, that fishy smelling, salt tasting, smelly, disgusting, wet, juicy, slimy ocean is over there. And since I don't know that much about the female genitalia per se, the vagina itself, I'm gonna pass it to one of my bro homies, B Money Cac Flicks Master Cash. Let's go.
I'm gonna explain some vagina to you. Now the vagina.
Come to me, I can be what you need, oh baby. This bad boy.
Feels good to be back.
Wrap your jimmies or use a female condom. It's serious. If you want to be pissing out kids, be my fucking guest. This.